The simmering tension between Meghan Markle and her estranged father, Thomas Markle, has boiled over once again, this time with a sharp rebuke aimed at the Duchess's claims of learning her culinary prowess from him. In a recent, explosive interview, Thomas Markle categorically denied Meghan's assertion, branding it a complete fabrication and another instance of her alleged propensity for rewriting their shared history. This latest salvo from the elder Markle paints a picture of a daughter willing to manipulate narratives for public consumption, further deepening the chasm between them and igniting a fresh wave of controversy surrounding the Duchess's carefully crafted image. Thomas Markle's accusation isn't merely a father correcting a minor detail. It strikes at the heart of Meghan's carefully cultivated persona. Over the years, Meghan has presented herself as a relatable, down-to-earth individual, often highlighting her supposed culinary skills as evidence of her grounded nature. In various interviews and public appearances, she has alluded to learning the fundamentals of cooking from her father, a narrative that resonated with many who saw it as a touching connection to her pre-royal life. However, according to Thomas Markle, this narrative is a calculated deception, a strategic move to enhance her public image at the expense of the truth. He claims that while they shared meals together, he never actively taught her to cook. And that her supposed expertise is a product of her own imagination, or perhaps, someone else's instruction. The implications of Thomas Markle's accusation are far-reaching. It raises questions about the authenticity of Meghan's public persona and fuels the narrative that she is willing to embellish her past to fit a desired image. Critics will undoubtedly seize upon this alleged fabrication as further evidence of what they perceive as her manipulative tendencies. They might point to other instances where her recollections have been challenged, fostering a perception of unreliability. The accusation also reignites the debate surrounding the portrayal of the Markle family in the media, with some arguing that Thomas Markle is a jilted father seeking attention, while others view him as a victim of his daughter's alleged ambition. This dispute over cooking skills serves as a potent metaphor for the broader breakdown of their relationship. It's not simply about whether or not Meghan learned to cook from her father, it's about trust, honesty, and the fundamental disconnect that has driven them apart. The public spectacle of a father publicly denouncing his daughter's claims underscores the deep-seated resentment and pain that have characterized their fractured relationship. For Thomas Markle, this public rebuttal may be a last-ditch attempt to reclaim his voice and challenge the narrative that has been constructed around him. It is a very public way to say that he will not be erased from the story, coming amidst a period of intense scrutiny of the royal family and Meghan's role within it. This revelation is likely to further fuel public discourse and exacerbate existing tensions. It provides ammunition for those who criticize Meghan's conduct and casts a shadow over her attempts to portray herself as a relatable and authentic figure. The controversy also highlights the challenges faced by public figures in maintaining control over their narratives in the age of social media and relentless media scrutiny.